Java programming data types. Data types. Data types in Java define the kind of values a variable can store. Java is a statically typed language, meaning that every variable must have a declared type at compile time. These types fall into two broad categories. 1. Primitive data types. 2. Reference data types. Primitive data types. Primitive data types are the basic building blocks of data manipulation in Java. They are not objects and are stored directly in memory for efficiency. Types of primitive data types. Data type size description. Byte 1, byte minus 128 to 127. Short 2 bytes, minus 32,768 to 32,767. Int 4 bytes. 2 circumflex, 31 to 2 circumflex, 31.1. Long 8 bytes. 2 circumflex, 63 to 2 circumflex, 63.1. Float 4 bytes, 6. 7 decimal places. Double 8 bytes, 15. 16 decimal places. Char 2 bytes, single Unicode character. Boolean 1 bit, true or false. Characteristics of primitive data types. Efficient in memory usage, stored in stack memory. Fast in execution as they are stored in registers or stack. Cannot be null, except in wrapper classes like integer, double, etc. Immutable. Their values cannot be changed after declaration, only reassigned. Reference data types. Reference data types are used to store memory addresses, references to objects, rather than the actual data. These are created using constructors, classes, interfaces, and arrays. Examples of reference data types. 1. String, a sequence of characters, immutable. String name, Java. 2. Arrays, a collection of elements of the same type. Int numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Classes and objects. Instances of user-defined data structures, class car string model, car my car new car. 4. Interfaces. Define a contract for classes without implementation. Interface vehicle void start. Characteristics of reference data types. Stored in heap memory, while references are stored in the stack. Can be null, meaning they may not always point to an object. Created using constructors, new keyword, except for special cases like string literals. Have methods and behaviors, unlike primitive data types. Type conversion in Java. Java supports two types of type conversion. 1. Implicit type conversion, widening casting. 2. Explicit type conversion, narrowing casting. Implicit type conversion converts a smaller data type to a larger one automatically. No data loss occurs. Example: int num 100, double dnum, int double, automatic. Explicit type conversion converts a larger data type to a smaller one manually. Might cause data loss. Example: double D 9.99. Int num, int d, double int, manual casting. Thank you.